Well, it's another week working on the Wellcraft. This week I'm continuing on with working on the Gelcoat. I will hope to finish up on the black on the sides, and then I'm going to work a little bit more on the little spotted parts on the transom and see if I can start buffing the white areas. That's what's in the plan. Hey, I hope you like it. If you do, please like and subscribe. And of course, thanks for watching. It's on. It's running. Okay, we did another sanding with 1000 grit sandpaper on the random orbital, and then I've gone over with the coarse rubbing compound, and then I've got Mrs. Cameraman who's taking off the residue from the compound that we used. So it's slowly getting there. Next I'll give it a day, and then I'll come back and do the fine rubbing compound with the wool bonnet. So we went to the state park up here by Fox Lake. Daughter's got the camper up here. This is a campground with spots right on the chain of lakes up here, and they have a whole bunch of places here with hookups for campers or RVs, everything like that. And there we are, right there on the lake. So that's something different. Well, here's the black side of the boat. This is the port side we've got finished. It's been compounded, it's been waxed, it's been buffed. I mean, you can see the shine in it. Now we got to start on the white. Here's the starboard side. But we're making progress. I mean, we only got, it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we only got Tuesday to work on it, and then we're going to disappear for 2 weeks. A little vacation time. I did start buffing the white on the back. I don't know if you kind of look sideways at the sun, you'll see the shine. Basically, I use the coarse and the fine rubbing compound, and both the sponge, that's with the coarse, and the wool bonnet with the fine. And then I've been down here, I'm working on some of these spots down here. If you see the spots, I've been sanding on these. As you can guess, they're kind of hard to get to, but I'm starting on that, and we'll continue. However, we're taking a break. It's vacation time. So that's our progress for this week, and we'll just keep working away at it. Well, that's about a wrap up for this week. We're getting ready to hit the airport tomorrow. That kind of ends this episode for the next 2 weeks. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe. And of course, I've got a parting thought for you. I hope you like it.